Hello all. As the series we started, apart from anthropology lecture series, I want to do one more topics mainly with respect to tribal affairs, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, government schemes, which will be very much helpful for prelims 2021 and mains 2021. For those people, the total current affairs which came, the total government schemes in the form of current affairs, tribal point of view, Ministry of Tribal Affairs, government schemes. I want to do it, and I started it. This is what the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, the government schemes. So, in order to watch more videos, parallelly I am doing lecture series for anthropology, parallelly I am doing general studies lecture series for general studies students, and some of the very toughest topics of economics also we did lecture series, lecture classes. So, if you want more such videos, please subscribe, like and share. And this is, yes, the minimum support price. You know that there is a minimum support price for food grains under the Ministry of Agriculture. The same minimum support price is now extended to minor forest produce. Yes, earlier also there is minor forest produce minimum support price is there. Now the number of items which added into the minor forest produce for the sake of minimum support price has been increased by 23. That is which is a part of the government scheme. So expansion of scheme of minimum support price for minor forest produce. Minor forest produce means like resins, lac, honey, the small tendu leaves, the residual things which are present in the forest, and on that particular forest area, if the tribals are living, so on that particular minor forest produce, the tribals are having the right. Those particular produces are called as minor forest produce. Those particular produces are called as minor forest produce. So that minor forest produce are being given with a minimum support price. Now there is a list of minor forest produce which came under the ambit of minimum support price has been increased. That is what this particular first scheme talks about. Ministry of Tribal Affairs announced of inclusion of 23 additional minor forest produce items and stipulation of their minor forest produce under the centrally sponsored scheme titled Mechanism for Marketing of Minor Forest Produce through Minimum Support Price and Developing of Value Chain. This decision enhancing the coverage from 50 to 73 items. So, prelims point of view we can extend how many are minor forest produce under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs? 73. Earlier it was 50, now 23 is added and total 73. And for this 73, the Ministry of Tribal Affairs had fixed minimum support price. So the government is ready to buy those minor forest produce at this minimum support price. It is voluntary. If they wish, they can sell it to the government, or else they can go to the open market and they can sell their goods. But prelims point of view, this is one scheme for extended 23 minor forest produces got minimum support price. This is the first scheme. And the second scheme is nothing but a platform was being created. Online platform was being created for performance of tribals. Performance of tribal indicators. Online performance dashboard named Empowering Tribals Transforming India launched. Empowering Tribals Transforming India is the portal under which a dashboard created whereby the performances of the tribals will be mentioned in that particular platform. A data-driven governance model to achieve digital inclusion and financial inclusion and productivity improvement and social impact of tribal population, like a performance-based platform is created so that everyone can understand how the performance is happening. In this context, 20 schemes of the Ministry of Tribal Affairs were being also added into the platform so that the performance of these 20 schemes will be mentioned. A comprehensive, interactive, dynamic performance dashboard. This is the dashboard for understanding, analyzing the performance of the tribal schemes and the tribal development. A online portal was being launched. This is the C. I put the screenshot also. This is the performance dashboard of Ministry of Tribal Affairs. How the schemes are performing. Post-metric scholarship, STC monitoring, national fellowship, pre-metric scholarship, national overseas scholarship. How these schemes are working. Goal scheme, going online as leaders. So the schemes of the government for the tribal development and their performances is clearly mentioned in this particular performance dashboard, so that everyone can know the performance of the government schemes with respect to tribal development. The performance dashboard Empowering Tribals Transforming India is part of Digital India initiative with a vision to empower the scheduled tribes and bring efficiency and transparency in the system. The portal is an interactive and dynamic online platform that showcases real-time details of the 11 schemes of the government. The 11 schemes of the government. So, prelims point of view, we can expect what are the schemes which are being mentioned under this performance dashboard of the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Because of these schemes, how the health related changes happen, education related changes happen. So mainly focusing on the performance of this 11 schemes, 1, 2, 3, top class scholarship, national fellowship scheme, national overseas scholarship, post metric scholarship, pre-metric scholarship, NGO, FRA, Forest Rights Act, EMRS, STC monitoring system, goal, going online as leaders, and sickle cell disease support corner. These 11 schemes performances were being highlighted, traced every time on this particular dashboard. That is what another important initiative which is taken by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Third, tribal health and nutrition portal. A separate tribal health and nutrition portal was been launched, which is called as Swasthya, and the Swasthya portal would be looking like this. The Swasthya portal will be looking like this. The total tribal related health, the tribal related nutrition, the tribal related diseases, everything is telecasted on this particular Swasthya website. So if we want to know about the tribals, we need to go into this particular website. Yes, in detail of the Swasthya website, you can go into the, already I did the video on this, you can go into that. So this is a online portal which was being created by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs to trace the health of the tribes. The next scheme is GOAL, Going Online Leadership. Going online leadership, whereby the skill development will be happening of the tribals. There will be a mentor, there will be a mentee. The mentor will be taking the responsibility of the mentee, the mentor will be chosen by the government, and the mentor will be given the responsibility of the skill development of the mentee. Through an online mode, by using the social media, by using the digital media, the empowerment of the tribals will be happening. That is the GOAL scheme. The Union Ministry for Tribal launched the Going Online as Leaders program at a webinar in New Delhi. GOAL is a joint initiative of Facebook and the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Provide mentorship to tribal youth. Who are going to get the mentorship are called as mentee. Who is going to provide the mentorship are called as mentor through digital mode. The payment will be provided to the mentor as well. Who will be chosen as the mentor will be decided by the district collector. Focus on 3 core ideals: digital literacy, life skills, and leadership and entrepreneurship. That will be taught under this particular GOAL program. And the salaries for the mentor also will be decided by the district collector. GOAL, Skilling Tribal Youth for Global Markets. Skilling Tribal Youths for Global Markets. These are the 4 schemes which I want to discuss today. And mainly it is upskill and empowering 5,000 tribal youths. That is the target. 5,000 tribal youths in the current phase to harness the full potential to digital platforms and tools to learn new ways of doing business for these people. Scheduled tribe youth are targeted mainly to the digital platform. Facebook is one of the partners for this scheme. Create awareness among the tribal beneficiaries about various schemes also. The mentor will be creating awareness among the mentees about the tribal schemes which are provided to the tribals. That also will be taken care here. Here mainly the main intention is digital literacy, life skills, leadership and entrepreneurship, so that making them near to the global market is the main intention of the GOAL scheme. So today overall I discussed 4 schemes. The next video I am going to come up with another schemes under the Ministry of Tribal Affairs, and slowly I will be doing all the government schemes of the other ministries as well. So today I discussed about the minimum support price extended to more 23 goods under minor forest produce. Number 2, Swasthya portal. Number 4, it's about the GOAL scheme. Yes, in this way we had covered. First one is GOAL. If I come from back side, it is GOAL for the revision. Third is about the Swasthya portal, and the next is an online performance dashboard, and the first one is about the minimum support price. The second one is only the dashboard, performance dashboard, to trace the performance of 11 schemes. So this is today's video. Thank you, subscribe, all the best.